SBO, a resolution on joint and collective motion.
So, the chair.
Dr. Luciano was a former chief of our Naga City Hospital and she passed away. So I request that we modify, amend our calendar of business to include under SBO the passage of a resolution expressing our condolences to the family of the late Dr. Luningning Luciano, former Naga City Hospital chief.
Any second? Okay. On joint and collective motion.
On joint and collective motion, Madam Chair, I move that we pass that resolution.
On joint and collective motion. Next item. Ano na? Ay, si Frank. Si Mr. Aguilar ang yaon. Hay na si Sir Frank.
Can we now proceed to the next item?
Okay.
We will just take this up when the budget officer arrives.
Okay. Next item.
The letter dated September 2, 2022 of the City Legal Officer regarding the request of Mr. Jaime Laureles for refund of the fine he paid for illegal parking.
Madam Chair.
Honorable Del Castillo.
Based on the records, Madam Chair, it is apparent that Mr. Laureles has really violated our city ordinance. So, based on the letter of the City Legal Officer, we have no basis for granting the requested refund. So, with that, Madam Chair, I move that we deny the request.
Any second? Okay, second approved. We deny the request for refund. Next item.
The letter dated September 2, 2022 of the Honorable City Mayor requesting for the passage of an ordinance amending Section 1 of Ordinance Number 2017-085, particularly the area of the portion of parcel of land mentioned therein to be acquired through the exercise by this government of its eminent domain.
Honorable Del Castillo.
Attorney Lianyo explained to us the nature of this request of the mayor. And to facilitate the position of the city on this particular property so that our proposed Calawag San Felipe Circumferential Road will be a reality. So with that, Madam Chair, I move that we amend Ordinance Number 2017-085, particularly on the area affected by our petition for eminent domain with the regional trial court. I understand that the area, Madam Chair, has reduced from more than 6,000 square meter to just 4,225 square meter. The actual area that is affected on the property of the respondent. So with that, Madam Chair, I move that we amend Ordinance 27-085 by decreasing the area from the former more than 6,000 square meter, 6,587 square meter to 4,225 square meter.
Any second?
So on joint and collective motion.
On joint and collective motion. Next item. Okay, Attorney Lim. Next.
The letter dated September 2, 2022 from the Honorable City Mayor requesting for amendment of Resolution Number 2022-697, particularly the names of the persons the Mayor was authorized to negotiate with.
12 individuals. Honorable Del Castillo.
Housing settlement.
Housing. Okay, refer to the Committee on Housing. Next item.
New business, the endorsement dated August 26 from Honorable City Mayor requesting for authority to enter into a MOA with the Philippines Band of Mercy relative to the partnership
Committee on
pertaining
Health.
to Cliff Care Program. The
Ito
letter
mga
dated
clip.
September 1, 2022 of Mr. Amado Labapie, President of Fernandez Homeowners Association, requesting assistance for expropriation of the property they occupy.
Housing.
The
Committee on
endorsement
Housing.
from the Honorable City Mayor requesting for authority to enter into a MOA with the adaptive technology for rehabilitation, integration, and empowerment
Committee on
of
PWD.
visually impaired. The endorsement from the City Mayor requesting for authority to enter into a MOA with the Parents Advocates for Visually Impaired Children and the University
PWD.
of Santo Tomas. The letter dated August 24, 2022, Honorable City Mayor requesting for the passage of a resolution granting him authority to negotiate and enter a contract of sale with the heirs of Nemesio
Committee on Housing.
Bicaldo. The endorsement from the Honorable City Mayor endorsing the letter of Ms. Loida Mandasok requesting certification from Housing and Settlement Development Office that the lot
Committee on
awarded to
Housing.
her. The letter dated August 19, 2022 of Ms. Cristina Valdez, Assistant Store Manager, SM Supermarket, requesting permission to use plastic bags for their operation starting September 1.
Ano ni? September 1 na baga? May products. The chair ay the author of the plastic ordinance,
Environment.
Honorable Del Castillo.
As far as the Sangguniang is concerned, we have already passed the ordinance. So it is a matter of implementation, Madam Chair. But I believe there is no provision in the ordinance that we can suspend unless we pass another ordinance suspending the implementation of the plastic regulatory ordinance. So,
So we deny the request?
I think we should just stick to our existing ordinance, Madam Chair.
So we just take note of the request. Honorable Rosales?
In addition to that, Madam Chair, we can furnish the SM a copy of the plastic bag regulatory ordinance. There is a exemption, Madam Chair, especially for wet products.
Sa wet products.
So,
The
ang
wet
concern
products.
ninda, wet products man. So, perhaps their case would fall in the exception provided in the ordinance. Yep, ayan po, nakalag. So, I think they can just
With the wet
look
products.
at the provisions of the ordinance for them to be guided for the purpose.
So,
Thank you, Madam Chair.
So we write the assistant store manager of SM and to furnish a copy of the ordinance. Next item.
The undated letter of Mr. Victor De La Cruz requesting for construction of road pathwalk parallel to existing road in Barangay Santa Cruz.
Committee on
Activity
Infrastructure.
Center. The letter dated August 12, 2022 of the acting city treasurer requesting for the passage of an ordinance reverting 150,000
Committee on
from
Appropriation.
capital outlay. The endorsement from the Tri-Mobile Task Force forwarding the application for transfer
Transport.
of 2 units. The letter dated August 4 of Engineer Kim Kathleen Sadi, Chairperson Civil Engineering Department at Ateneo de Naga University,
Right.
informing of the award that a team of 7 civil
I
engineering
think they
students
wanted a resolution of commendation. Honorable Del Rosario.
Actually, Madam Chair, I prepared the resolution regarding the So, I volunteer to write the resolution, Madam Chair.
So your
Please refer this to this representation.
Okay. Thank you. So refer this to Honorable Del Rosario. Next.
The letter dated August 22, 2022 of Mr. Delphine Aguilar of ESO as acting head, requesting for reversion of 677,158 pesos and 72 centavos from other structure and sports equipment account,
Committee on Appropriation.
the verified complaint filed by Salvacion Cabase against Punong Barangay Alan
Blue Ribbon
Beriso.
Committee.
The letter dated August 17 by Mr. Nelson Chua requesting 1 unit of it
Committee
right.
on Transport.
The letter dated August 26 by Mr. Willie Prilles submitting the technical evaluation of documents
Committee on
submitted by
Land Use.
Vicente Oy Magaldia. The letter dated August 17, 2022 of Mr. Mario Villanueva, President Naga College Foundation, signifying
People
their intent
Empowerment.
to apply for accreditation. The
Number-
subject matter of the privileged speech of the Honorable Joselito H. A. Del
Honorable
Rosario.
Del Rosario. Committee on Environment.
Next. The endorsement dated September 2, 2022 from the Honorable City Mayor endorsing for consideration the follow-up letter of Aida Quito and Araceli Rosari pertaining to the intent to purchase the right-of-way of lots 52, 53, and 54 of the Consolidated Subdivision Survey,
Honorable
Located
Del
in-
Castillo.
Barangay Peña Francia.
The Housing Board, Naga City Urban Development Housing Board.
Housing Board.
Okay,
Since
refer
the
to the
area is under the jurisdiction of the Housing Board, baka pwede.
So
Kung
refer
anong
to
recommendation
the
ka
Housing Board.
Yes, Madam.
Next item.
The endorsement dated September 2, 2022 from the Honorable City Mayor endorsing the request for burial assistance to Ordinance Number 2001-001 for Barangay Volunteer Worker Mrs. Aida De Jesus in connection with the death of her husband Edgar N. De Jesus, who served as Barangay Tanod of
Committee
Barangay
on
Panigua.
Appropriation.
Other matters, letter dated August 30, 2022, of Mr. Roberto Acabado, NCDA, Naga City Abattoir Head, submitting a comparative report on the prevailing slaughterhouse fees in major cities in Bicol and the proposed increase of
Is
fees.
there a particular
Naga City.
committee that's interested in this? Ways and Means? Ay, yung mga fees ini. Ways and Means? So, bako yung other matters.
Ways and Means.
Oo, sa Ways and Means na may fees. Next.
The letter dated August 23, 2022 of Mr. Elmer Santo Domingo, Chairperson NCPC, formally endorsing the representatives in certain standing committees of the Sangguniang.
So, we take note yung mga different committees.
The letter dated August 18, 2022 of District Engineer Romeo Doloiras, DPWH Camarines Sur, 3rd District Engineering Office,
Noted.
submitting a status report of various infra. Copy of Executive Order Number 2022-026 issued by the Honorable City Mayor reconstituting the various personnel mechanism committees of the city government of NAC.
So, we take note. Sige, pang iba. Huli nga daw, anong iba.
Scroll daw, tabi
Paki-scroll mo ko anong mga ano. Grievance Committee. Dapat sa Grievance Committee dati ka ito, member ako as chair of the Committee on Women and ano. Oh, mostly mga ano yan eh. Okay, next. Sige pa. Iba pa. Okay, next. Sunod. Iba pang saro na ano eh. Oo, dapat kabali ang ano duman sa Grievance Committee.
Madam Chair.
On gender perspective. Honorable Del Rosario.
Ihapot ko lang, Madam Chair, kung ano si mga functions kaning mga
Igo yan.
ano dyan.
Actually, igo yan ng mga ano.
Ikaw, Atin, may na-mention ba sa
Pero
taas?
naka-attach digdi. Baka si dati nindang function, yung manghiraral.
Yan, si basis.
Oo, sa human
Si functions. Kasi, for example, yun yung Madam Chair, yung human resource, yung pinakainot. chaired by Councilor City Administrator Baldemoro. Yung letter A. Letter A. Letter A. Human Resource Development Committee. Ano ang focus niya, Madam Chair? Ano ang gigibuhon niya? Ano ang focus niya? Well, i-address niya ba ang existing problem sa loob ng Human Resource Management Office ta? Kabali ba dyan si pag-update kan si backlog ta ng bulan-bulan ng pirambulan ng backlog sa GSIS? Kabali ba dyan si hanggang ngunyan dahil na mga nakalakpang mga city officials kaya kita nakaka-update ka mga records ta?
Okay. Maybe
Kadakol problema, Madam Chair. Kaya naugma ako kani. Pero kung dapat kabali dyan, kung anong mga function. Tangarig mag-expect kita ng trabaho ninda. Bako lang si committee, si actual function.
okay, with
Takong
that,
dahil ninda ni Marisolveran, Madam Chair, magibo na naman kita ng bagong committee. Nakapara-expect lang kita ng something na dahil man ninda, baka dahil ninda ma-deliver. Kaya siguro, Madam Chair, may si mga actual functions kaning kanya-kanya mga committees na ni. Ang arig dahil man kita mag-expect ning sobra, dahil man kita mag-expect ning kuyan. Ano talaga si mga functions nila?
So the secretary is instructed to write the honorable Mr. Nolasco Nolasco de Salva and ask for the functions to be submitted next session. Okay. Honorable Salvador del Castillo. So we invite Mr. Nolasco.
Yes, I agree with the observation of the Honorable Del Rosario. Siguro mas maray na matawan kita, Madam Chair, kasi function for each and every committee. Si iba dyan, may connection sa human resource management. Pero si ibang mga function, mas maray na maaaraman taman for the whole sanggunian to understand at baka may mga ibang concern na dahil na asikaso which may be part of our oversight function. So, mas maray na matawang kita kan si list of functions of these various committee na reorganized under this executive order. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Del Castillo. So the City Secretary is so instructed. Next item, Honorable Gail Abonel Gomez. Sige.
Madam Chair, may I just add that aside from mentioning the functions, if they will open it also to suggestions coming from the Sanggunian. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Gail Abonel. So we invite the acting Human Resource Development Officer next session. Okay.
Madam Chair.
May gusto karoon ka mong iharapot pa sa
Dahil,
iya.
Madam Chair, ang suggestion ko po is isurat din si actual
Well,
functions. Kasi kung si Tataramon Igdi sa Toya, iba man si nakasurat, ay problema yan later on.
The first instruction I gave to the secretary is to write Mr. Nolasco to
Then
give
siguro,
us
sa kata
the
ma-receive,
functions.
then next session, sa kata lang sinda ipaapod.
Sige. Ano?
Ma-receive mo na si,
Ha?
si,
Mayor.
thank you, Madam Chair.
Si Mayor kaya pala nang nag-issue kayo ni baka pwedeng si miski si
Administrator.
nila, administrator. Si administrator nila ang suratan, oo. So, next item. Mayo na baga si Frank. Pipin. Makasimbag daw si baka man pwede na siya magsimbag. Honorable Del Castillo, the query with regards to the ESO budget.
Is important because we will be the request is for an appropriation in the amount of 1,450,000 pesos, and we should fully know what will be the source of the appropriation. Is it chargeable? Dahil man nakabugtak, Madam Chair, na chargeable against the current appropriation. Kami nakabugtak nga ng unappropriated balance sa baba. And a while ago, when the budget officer appeared before us, he told us that he knows nothing about this. So, importante si Presensya, Madam Chair, kan budget officer. But since all the items under our calendar of business are already taken up, baka calendar ta na lang ni for the next regular session, Madam Chair, with the instruction that Mr. Aguilar and the budget officer be present during the regular session of the Sangguniang.
Thank you, Honorable Del Castillo. So next session.
As of now, I have some reservation on the purpose. Kung iyan, Madam Chair, si katuyuhan na pati yearbook, city government pa mabayad. I think that should be answered when we deliberate on this particular item.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Del Castillo.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
So this will be taken up next session. Mr. Aguilar is around, so he can go attend the next session, and also to invite Mr. Mendoza. Honorable Vidal first.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Before our nominal voting, Madam Chair, saro po kaya sa problema kang syudad ng Naga ngunya, Madam Chair, iyo ang pagtaas kang bill sa Kasureco. Kasi bago po ang bagong presentar si Honorable Lito de Rosario na i-converta ang mga ilaw sa solar. Pero Madam Chair, last week, I've noticed na ang consumer protection na pinapamayan ni Councilor Albius nag-conduct ng committee hearing, and personnel and board of directors of the Kasureco was invited. Maraman tanong po kung ano po ang ginigibong aksyon, rekomendasyon, resolution ng mga board of directors sa Kasureco kung paano matatawan po ng aksyon, hirak man ang mga taga-Naga, pati mga pobre mga tao, ang problema ngunya naghahagad ng tabang sa tuya, pambayad sa Kasureco. Ako ani po ngunyan, ang bill ko ngunyan 7,000 na. Dati po ni 3,500 lang, ngayon 7,000 na, uyan po. Tapos po kung naaraman nindo ang sa tuyang gobyerno ngunyan, 7 million ang binabayad bulan-bulan. Hali sa 5 million, 7 million ang ngunyan. Ano lang po ang pig-report ng mga taga-Kasureco na gigibuninda, tanga ni matabangan ang mga taga-Naga. Siguro, Madam Chair, maaraman ka lang po kay ang chairman sa Consumer Protection na inimbitaran ang mga taga-Kasureco, maaraman ka lang paghalit tayo, pinagahapon sa kuya, ano lamang ginibong aksyon kan Sangguniang para matabangan na pababa ang kuryente sa Naga. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay, I think the Honorable Albius has already conducted a conference with regards to that. Honorable Albius, any updates?
Yes, thank you, Madam Chair. Kang nakalipas pong 2 weeks ago, pig-invite ang General Manager and si Duwang Board Director kang Kasureco to and ibang representative hali sa NCPC. In fact, yaon man si GM Jun Mongoso kang MNWD sa Metro Peso. Alagad limited kaya si audience na na-reach ka ito. Kaya I would suggest, Madam Chair, na we invite the General Manager together with the Kasureco 2 directors on the next session para mas wider po ang makaabot kang information kasi naka-live po kita.
So we invite the manager and director
Yes,
of
yes, Madam
Kasureco
Chair.
next session. Our next item, Honorable Del Rosario.
Madam Chair, Kansarong Aldo po, nagpasara ko yung Engineer Canning asking for updates duman sa implementation katong ordinance on rainwater collection facilities. I'm manifesting today, Madam Chair, that we request to him updates on the implementation of this ordinance. Para mahiling ta kung kumusta ang compliance kanikang mga city government offices, mga schools, and other facilities within the ambit of the implementation of the rainwater collection facilities embodied in the ordinance which I authored, Madam Chair. So we request update from Engineer Canning next session, and siguro kung mas marami, Madam Chair, na maka-attend siya mismo sa session next week, Madam Chair. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Del Rosario. So next, ano rin? Next session.
Nominal voting.
All approved resolutions and ordinances to nominal voting.
Any second?
And move for its approval.
Second.
Move to adjourn, Madam Chair.
Any second to the adjournment? Ulay ka po pa rin doon. Okay, session is adjourned.